Hello, Kate here. Today I will show you how to crochet crab stitch, which is an easy finishing technique. You can use it in all sorts of projects as a delicate edging, no matter their shape or size. Here I have my granny heart squares that I finished with crab stitches to show you what it looks like. As usual, you will find the written pattern and more information waiting on my website, linked in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up to help me reach more people. I have Hobby Portobello yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. It's the same yarn I used in the Granny Square project, but the crab stitch will work with any type and yarn weight. Here I've got a very small swatch I just made, just a row of double crochets. Now the crab stitch is also called reverse single crochet. That means that we are going backward instead of forward. You will see what I mean in just a second. Normally we would chain one, turn the work and continue making stitches on the wrong side like this. But with crab stitch, we want to stay on the right side. Let me go back to where we started. Alright, now look, we will go the reverse way, so right to left. Let's chain one as if it's a normal single crochet. But now we insert the hook in the next stitch on our left, front to back. It requires a very unusual movement, so it doesn't feel right at first. Now continue as if it's a single crochet, so grab the yarn, pull the loop, and you have two loops on your hook. You can see that the second loop is twisted, but that's how it should be. Now finish the stitch like a normal single crochet. It may be tricky because the loops are not in their normal position, but just be patient. That wasn't so hard, right? Okay, one stitch doesn't look like much, so let's do it again. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Keeping the loop you already have on the hook with your fingers will make it a little easier. Pull up a loop and finish the stitch. Continue working in each next stitch to see how crab stitches create a fun structural edging. Well, crab stitch edging will work with any kind of stitch, so it's super versatile. You can make increases and decreases just like with normal single crochets. My edge is finished now. Doesn't it look cool? I love it. Now I'll show you how to continue on the edge where we go sideways to the rows. I have a long double crochet here, so I'll start with an increase on the corner. I now have 2 crab stitches in one stitch. Now I'll go around this edge stitch, inserting my hook between the first and the second stitch. Next, I choose a stitch in the bottom corner of my work and make a crab stitch there. You could go all around this swatch, making 2 crab stitches in each corner and 1 per each stitch on the sides. Here's another project where I made crab stitch edging, but this time in the round. Go watch the video to see how I did it. Click the link in the corner or find it in the description box below. And that's all. Crab stitch is super easy. Here you can see my granny squares finished with crab stitch edging, and remember, you can play with colors and yarn weights to get some very cool effects. It really doesn't matter what type of stitch you have, the crab stitch will work every time. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell button to get a notification whenever I post something new. As usual, more info is on my website, linked in the description. Leave a comment below to let me know what you want to learn next, and have a super creative day. Bye bye!